Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am back again with another YASS or pause, where I sit and chat with you guys about new and upcoming makeup releases and letting you know whether or not I think I'm gonna pick them up or just act like I never even knew they were a thing. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So before we jump into talking about the new makeup releases, I do just want to talk to you guys about a new perfume that I've been trying out from Dossier. Now, I have talked about Dossier here on my channel before, and I will link that original video down below. However, for those of you who are new or just simply don't feel like clicking back to watch that video, Dossier is a clean, vegan, and cruelty-free perfume company that creates scents inspired by high-end luxury perfumes. The brands that they are inspired by range anywhere from Tom Ford to Gucci, Replica, Dolce & Gabbana, you name it. If there's a high-end luxury perfume that you enjoy, I'm sure Dossier has a scent inspired by that fragrance. And Dossier is super affordable. The perfumes on their website range anywhere from $29 to, I believe the highest price one is $49. And if I am incorrect, I will correct myself here on the screen. And not only are they super affordable, but Dossier makes testing out the perfumes super easy because they have one of the most insane return policies that I've literally ever seen. You have 30 days to test out your full-size perfume from Dossier, and if you don't enjoy it for whatever reason, you can return the perfume for a full refund, or you can exchange it for another one of equal value. What's even more amazing than that awesome 30-day return policy is that Dossier partners with a charity called Give Back Box, that for any perfume that is returned, they give it to Give Back Box, who then donates them to homeless shelters, women's shelters, families in need, and that way no product ever goes to waste, which I think is absolutely phenomenal. That is hands down my favorite thing about Dossier and the reason that I am willing to try out their perfumes and work with this company, because that is something I 100% can stand behind. So now that we've covered the basis of Dossier, let's actually chat about the perfume that I've been testing out. So this is the Citrus Green Apple, which is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue for women. The notes on this are green apple, lime, cedarite, bluebell, jasmine, rose, amber, cedarwood, and musk. And before I chat about the perfume and how it wore on me, you should know that I am someone that typically prefers really masculine, sensual scents. So this one, I was kind of stepping outside of my comfort zone testing out because this is more of a light, fresh, and clean scent, which is why I wanted to try it. And we don't mix very well together. Let me explain why. So when I first sprayed the perfume on my skin, the citrus notes really pulled through. So therefore, at first I was like, okay, this is nice, like nice and light, perfect for summer with the citrus tones to it. I was like, I can kind of vibe with this. About half an hour to 45 minutes later, after it's been sitting on my skin, my body's natural chemistry is like, I don't think so, girl. It then kind of transforms to a more overall kind of like powdery aroma, which then gives me like old lady perfume vibes, if you know what I'm saying. And because of that, I don't really jam with this particular scent. So it is for that reason that I am actually going to be returning this one. I've already been chatting with my contact over at Dossier, so that way I can get it returned, since obviously this was gifted to me to try out to talk to you guys about. I do have a code with Dossier, so thank you Dossier for supplying us with this code. That will save you a little bit of coin if you want to try something out. I'll have it written on the screen and down in the description bar for you, so that way you can try out some perfumes and see if you like it for no fuss and no hassle. So yeah, you guys, now that we've covered all that, thank you again to Dossier for letting me try out some perfumes. It's super fun to do. But we are going to now jump into these makeup releases, you guys, because I don't want this video to be super long. As always, you know your girl uses Trend Mood to kind of discuss everything, and we are going to step aside so we can pop some pictures up on the screen here. Alright, so the first thing that Trend Mood has posted at this moment is the new Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Light Catcher. It says, these light creating setting powder with 12-hour pore blurring, skin smoothing, and no photo flashback. Sets makeup to prolong wear up to 12 hours. Absorbs excess oil, reduces and controls shine. Its weightless texture melts into skin. They are $39, and it looks like it comes in 3 different shades. Honestly, guys, I am someone that does actually really enjoy the Laura Mercier setting powder. There are other setting powders that I enjoy more, but it's been a staple in my collection since I started doing makeup, what feels like eons ago at this moment. And so this is something that honestly kind of does catch my eye. The before and afters on some of these photos are nice. It does look like it kind of blurs the skin a little bit, and I do like that it has almost like a natural highlight to it. I do think the only thing is, because I am someone with oily skin, I just wonder how that would translate. I truly don't have really any problem with the original Laura Mercier setting powder. Like, I don't feel like it breaks down and everything. So I think I would be willing to give this one a try. Ooh, scrolling down, this caught my eye real quick. These are the the Sex Full Liquid Highlighters for Face and Body by Melt Cosmetics. Honestly, the freaking packaging is what just got me on that, because they are just so shiny. They look really, really pretty. I like that it has a bunch of different undertones. I love that they've got that one called Chocolate Dip, that really, really gorgeous, rich brown. Like, that looks delicious. And they even have like a pink undertone one. I like the range of the undertones, I really do. It says a highlighter that drenches your skin with an emulsion of liquid pearl pigments to illuminate, hydrate, and add radiant dimension. Lightweight liquid formula allows for a smooth application with a transfer-resistant finish. That's important, because there's nothing worse than a body oil that wants to get on everything, your clothes, your hair, bleh. It says wear it all over your face and body, mix with foundation or alone for a natural looking glow. 7 different shades for $39 each. Interesting. It blows my mind that it's for face and body, because most of the time, like liquids like this, like highlighting liquids, they're meant for one or the other, especially when it comes to like mixing into your foundations. So I would be interested to see kind of like reviews on this when it fully launches, if it hasn't already. I know it says July 23rd, which is not quite yet. So I don't know, honestly, maybe. I don't wear a lot of body oils. I definitely, because I have oily skin, don't mix a lot of stuff in with my foundation, because, oh girl, it won't last. I would possibly get these for just my body alone, but to be honest, I have 2 of the big Sol de Janeiro ones, which I already really, really enjoy. So I don't think I actually need to buy these. So I think I'm going to refrain. But I think if you are someone that does not have any, that you may actually like them, because I do like the finish that it gives. Like, it doesn't look really glittery. It just looks like a really pretty natural glow, because no one wants just like straight up glitter sitting on their body. Like, we're not 15 anymore. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get it, but it does look pretty promising, to be honest with you. So it looks like Charlotte Tilbury has these Pillow Talk Lip and Cheek Glows. These say these radiant, emollient, rich lip and cheek glow creams deliver a look of just kissed, fresh, semi-sheer color to the lips and cheeks for $40 each. They have 2 colors, Colors of Dreams, which is a warm rosebud pink, and Color of Passion, which is a deep blushing berry pink. And while the shades do look really pretty, and I love the packaging of Charlotte Tilbury products, they are just so, so pretty to look at. I don't think I will be getting these, just because since I have oily skin, I don't tend to wear things that are good for both my cheeks and my lips. The texture of them tend to not sit well on my skin, and so I'm not going to pay $40 for literally like a lip balm. That's just not my jam. Alright, so it looks like Kylie Cosmetics is relaunching the brand, where everything is clean, vegan, and cruelty-free, and also going global. I think that is great. I'm excited to see it. I actually didn't realize that they weren't originally clean, vegan. Were they cruelty-free before? Yes? I don't know. Either way, I'd love to see that they relaunched it. And it looks like they're literally bringing back everything. The matte lips, the glosses, gel liners, liquid liners, brow pomades, pencils, highlighters, blushes, bronzers. I think that's great. I think that makes it more inclusive to individuals that truly only want to use clean, vegan, and cruelty-free products as well. Alright, so Kathleen Lights' nail polish brand, Lights Lacquer, that is a mouthful to say like that, is coming out with a new collection called Always Bayou. It's a green collection, so Bayou is like the swamp bayou, but it reads like Always Bayou, you know what I'm saying? They are so clever when it comes to the collection names and the shade names. I absolutely love it. It looks like it includes 3 colors that are $9.50 each in Fiona, Frog Prince, and Catching Fireflies. Again, everything goes so cute with the theme. I will also say that literally I have not tried any of the nail polishes from Lights Lacquer. I have quite a few from her original brand called KL Polish, and because I have so many from there and I paint my nails so infrequently, I have not forced myself to buy any, but there's literally every collection I wanted, but I'm like, Alyssa, you need to chill. Like, all you would just have is like a wall of nail polish that you don't use. But these shades are so freaking pretty, and I think that her brand does a really good job of creating shades and shades in a range where you can find something for anybody. Like, if you like nail polish and you like green nail polish, it's gonna have like 10 different green nail polishes for you to pick from. So I really, really like that. And her formula, at least from the original KL polish formula to I know which she had to transfer over here, is 10 out of 10. Like, literally some of the best nail polish I've literally ever used. I actually, when I go to get my nails done, I take my nail polish to the nail salon for them to use for me because I don't want it to chip, because literally the nail polish does not chip for like 2 weeks, I swear to God. And the nail ladies are always like, holy crap, this is such a beautifully pigmented nail polish. The brush on it is so good. Like, the people that do nails all the time are telling me how good they think this polish is, and I'm like, I'm saying. So I don't know that I'll buy it because I probably do not need it at all. Like, I don't even know when I would wear green nail polish, but it looks beautiful. I love the shade names. I love the fact that the theming is so cute and so on point. So I think it's absolutely amazing. Let me know if you're gonna pick that up if you are a nail polish junkie, because I want to be, I just know I'm not. All right, you know we're going to talk about Colourpop. It is not a makeup release video if we don't speak about Colourpop, because when does Colourpop not release stuff? So this is the collab with the Powerpuff Girls, which definitely brings back memories from my childhood because I did watch the Powerpuff Girls. It looks like this collection includes a 12 pan palette for $22, 2 blushes for $12 each or $20 for both, 3 color sticks for $17 for 3 or $7 individually, a roller gloss set of 3 for $24, a Soul Body Bubble Bath Bar for $9, and a 4th Ray Beauty Lip Mask Duo for $20, and then hair clips for $5 each. So first of all, hair clips, not my vibe, okay? I don't be clipping my hair back like that. That's just a trend I'm not gonna bring over here to me, okay? I'm sorry. Also, I am not a fan of the roller lip gloss sets, okay? Like, I get it, it's supposed to be nostalgic. It definitely goes with the 90s theme. Totally understand that, but again, not the vibes. I'm just not gonna do that. The color sticks, those are beautiful. They are shimmery, they are right on track with the theme. I really, really, really like those. The palette is pretty good, okay? I will say that honestly. Right with the theme, with the swatches, okay? The last, or I guess what technically would be considered the first 5, like the reddy orange, the pink, the green, the blue, and the peach, okay, those. Okay, pigment, okay, pigment, I see you. That looks absolutely beautiful. Shimmers look really pretty too. Honestly, I kind of vibe with it. Looks good with the theme. I don't hate it. I'm not gonna buy it, okay? But I definitely think it's solid on theme. Again, I've said this a couple times, Colourpop has been really stepping it up. They do really work on committing to the theme as of lately, which I love to see it, because I cannot stand a brand that half-asses a theme. Like, if you're gonna go with it, go with it. Don't waste my time, because you'll irritate me. All right, so the Jaclyn Cosmetics, the Hot Tropics collection. I know there's been some whirlwind chat about these. It was the hydrating lip oils, the light putty highlighters, the sun-kissed cream bronzers, and the beaming light liquid highlighters. I know there was a lot of tease surrounding the bronzers, you guys, because literally she launched, what was it, 5 shades, and they're all about the same tone. Again, they really don't include deeper skin tones. I would again have preferred to see her do a more inclusive shade range, because with, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bronzers, you really could have spread it out a little bit to include a wider range of people. So I think that was kind of a missed mark and missed opportunity, and I understand the feedback that she's getting on that. Like, I think that could have been done better, because literally what she put out was shades for, again, light to probably medium skin tones. Like, I probably could find something to work for me, and she just changed up the undertones instead of really kind of expanding the range. So they claim that the range would be expanded later, but like many people are saying, I don't think the expansion of ranges to that depth should be something that should be considered later. I think you start off with a really wide range and you get a color for at least each type of skin tone, and then when you expand it later, you add the undertones and the kind of the shades in between. That's kind of how I would recommend brands do it from now on. So I understand that. I also wouldn't get the cream bronzers anyways. I have like 2 or 3 cream bronzers that I really like, and I don't feel like I need more in my collection. Lip oils are not my thing, you guys. Honestly, like, I get it for the summer. It's light, it's hydrating, it's whatever. I'm a matte liquid lipstick wearer, okay? I have a gloss or I have a matte liquid lipstick. That's it. I don't need a lip oil. But I do think the packaging on them are really, really pretty though. I will say that. Putty highlighters, again, not really my vibe, but they are pretty. And then again, I've already talked to you guys about liquid highlighters with the melt ones earlier, so not really my jam, but I think the overall collection does look really pretty. I do like the vibes. I do like the packaging. This really caught my eye, you guys. I have not seen, like, I am always seeing stuff on Trim Mood. I have literally not seen this until right now. This is the Jet Set Invisible Powder Spray from Flower Beauty. It says a revolutionary setting powder that instantly blurs away imperfection and sets your makeup for a silky smooth finish. Just spray and go. It says infused with oil absorbing rice starch, chamomile flower extract, and coconut fruit water to refresh. It helps control shine, giving skin a soft matte look for only 14 bucks. I don't know what to think. It's a setting powder in a can. I think I need it. I think I need it. I think I'm gonna have to buy it, and I think we're gonna have to do a video on it because I gotta know. I literally have not seen this at all. When does it come out? It's apparently it's supposed to be a universal setting powder, so like I guess like a translucent kind of setting powder. I am gonna have to look into this because I'm very intrigued. As someone who definitely has to set their makeup with setting powder, I want to call it setting spray so ding dang bad because of the packaging. As someone who has to set their face with setting powder, because I have oily skin and the fact that it's in this, I gotta know. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, and I hope you guys want to see a video on it because I'm gonna do that. How have I not seen this? My mind is blown. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on that, you guys. Holy cow, I don't even know what to think. I'm so mind boggled. Like, I'm struggling to roll through the rest of this stuff. Holy crap. All right, and the last thing I'm gonna end on, because I've been seeing it all over my Instagram and even on like TikTok and crap, people doing it. It's the freaking collab between Benefit and Crocs. Ew. Ew. I hate it so much. They have a classic clog and a classic sandal, and they're both bedazzled with beautiful gibbets charms. I don't even know what that means. Okay, first of all, maybe I'm just a hater. I hate Crocs in general. I think they are the ugliest thing that you can put on your feet. I hate them so much. And listen, I have friends that wear Crocs, okay? I'd be roasting. I hate them so much. I think they are so ugly. I think the only individuals that should truly wear Crocs are children, okay? Because I get it for kids when you're taking them to like the beach and the pool because kids are messy and the Crocs can get dirty and blah, 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 blah. But like grown-ass people that wear those, oh, bleh, I hate them. And I hate that these look like jelly shoes, like from the 90s, but in Croc form. And I just, what the hell was that collaboration even about? It's disgusting to me. I don't like it. I don't want to look at it anymore. And it has totally been like that is going to be my stopping point for today. So yeah, you guys, that is the end of this YASS or pause video. I would love to know all your thoughts and opinions on the things that I mentioned. Do you agree with my thoughts and opinions? Or if you disagree, definitely let me know because I love chatting with you guys about your thoughts and opinions down in the comments section below. Yeah, you guys, don't forget to check out Dossier. I will have their website linked and my coupon code down in the description box as well. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also come follow your girl on Instagram over at Alyssa N Pope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!